Welcome, 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 welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see the title, I'm going to show you how I make a fabulous salmon using my air fryer. It's absolutely outstanding. And I just want to go ahead and say thank you for all of my new subscribers and those who have been riding with me for the long run. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. All right, let's season our salmon. I've already washed it, and I use a paper towel just to make sure it is nice and dry. And I have my season that I've already mixed here, guys. Just want to show you what I'll be using. I do have some just regular old garlic powder. I use some Old Bay seasoning, and I also have my Cajun seasoning mix that I make myself. You can use whatever Cajun seasoning mix that you like, and I did add a little salt and pepper to my mix as well. So with my finger, I'm gonna just go ahead and stir it like this, make sure everything is nice and mixed, and then just take a little bit. I didn't measure, guys. All I did was took a tip of the spoon and took a little bit of each, and that's about it. So you want to drizzle this all on top of your salmon like this. Okay. Cover the whole thing like that. And it's kind of like patted in. Make sure your hands are clean, because you want the seasoning to stick to your fish. And I'm gonna go ahead and lightly season the back of our salmon as well. Let's make sure it's dry. Okay. A little bit more is not gonna hurt. Okay. And then you just want to rub that in like this, guys, making sure it is seasoned. And I also like to add just a little bit to my board like this, and then make sure my sides are seasoned as well. You do not want to bland a piece of fish, so you want to make sure you have enough seasoning. Okay, this looks fabulous. And if you do not have an air fryer, you can still use this recipe and just do it in your oven. I'm gonna go ahead and spray our pan just to make sure it doesn't stick. Okay, I'm just gonna rub that like that, just making sure we don't have too much of the spray in it. Now go ahead and put it on like this, guys. It looks fabulous, and trust me, it is going to be a delicious, delicious, delicious piece of salmon. I'm going to open it up, and then we're going to stick this right about here, and we're going to let it cook for about, I'm going to watch it. I'm going to let it cook maybe for about, because they're not that thick, so I'm going to let them cook maybe about 7 minutes. After the 7-minute mark, I'm going to go ahead and give them a check. And if it needs to go a little further, then I'll allow it to go a little, cook a little more. All right, guys, once it's almost done, I'll come back and show you what our salmon looks like. Just wanted to show you guys, it has been cooking for about 3 minutes now. It smells amazing. It looks fabulous. All right, guys, it is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on. And I want you to take a look at this. Guys, this looks amazing. Do you see this? So if you're not sure if it's not cooked, you can also use a thermometer, and as long as it reads 145, then you're in good shape. All right, so I'm going to set this aside.